So this is an example of the old conventional model. Free book funnel. They go to a web page, they say, hey, we have a free book, put in your name and email, your phone number, and then they capture the leads. Everyone familiar with this model? Raise your hand. Okay, alright, so everyone. Now, I will go my pace, not at the newbie, just so you know. Right, but I will simplify everything. Even if you're a newbie, you will understand it clearly. But we only have one day. I want to jam-pack it with content. I will focus on strategies. O model. So let's do a real-life example. O model, let's say the niche is time management for salespeople. So the book will teach how to manage your time for salespeople. Okay. So offer, what is the offer? A free ebook teaching how to plan your day for maximum sales. Okay? Convert well? Yeah, of course it converts well because it's free ebook and salespeople needs to be more productive. So this is how the funnel looks like. Opt-in page, they go to an opt-in page, free book. Everybody gets that. They opt in, they get a free book. So the next part is, after they opt in, they will see a sales page. They opt in, they register, their name and email, and they fill in the details, they see a sales page. The sales page will have an offer presented, right? Now, if you have a product, you understand with this model easily. The sales page sells something. So it sells maybe a video course. So the video course say, alright, so now you have the free book, but here's the video course to teach you how to do this step by step. So it's supposed to be some impressive stuff. Sells for $27, $47, $97, whatever the price is. So once they see that, if they buy, then there will be an upsell. Upsell 1. So this is a basic 101 sales funnel, but I need to walk you through this so that you understand where I'm coming from. And then there will be either a downsell or an upsell too. So here you have a basic sales funnel. Everyone understand this? Yes? Okay, good. So this is what people have been doing for God knows how long, including myself. Maybe I've been doing this for 15 years. And it has made us a small fortune for sure. It's called AI App Funnel. Now, niche is still time management for salespeople. Nothing changed. But previously, the offer is a free ebook. But today, instead of that, the offer is a free AI tool that plan for you to get maximum sales. In the past, it's teaching people how to do it. Today, I don't teach you how to do it. I give you a tool, you press a button, it does the work for you. Now, which one you think will convert better? The old one or the new one? New one, right? I mean, who wants to go through ebook to read and so on? And for the record, telling you this on pure facts, okay? I mean, we send millions of emails. Most people who opt in to a list, never even open the emails. Some open the emails, never even download the ebooks. Some download the ebooks, never even read the ebooks. Right, that is the fact. So how do we overcome all of this? With the new way of building funnel, which is an AI app funnel. So instead of telling them how, we're giving them a tool for the salespeople and says, hey, enter all this information. What is your closing rate? How much time you need to spend to eat? Or you enter all this thing, you press one button, AI would now do the planning for you. How much time you should spend on a person? How do you plan? All of those is all done. Now, the opt-in page is now a free AI tool rather than a free book. So they opt in because they want an AI tool, not because of a book. and then everything else remains the same. If you want to have the existing sales funnel as it is, right? How much difference do you think this will make? Guess. Okay, you know what? It's too hard to guess because I could not even guess. I need to use ChatGPT to figure out for me. So let's see.